Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Let's find the the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And then let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on add picture, and here we've been transferred to 3 different sections or categories from which we can choose the photo. So let's start with illustrations. Those are online illustrations, online graphics from which you can choose something and set as a photo. So I highly recommend to check those. Google Photos, which is your gallery, and device photos, which is divided into the gallery again, or the camera. So after choosing this option, you will be able to take a photo because your device will open the camera up, so you can take a photo of someone who's standing in front of you. So just choose the option you'd like to use. I will choose the gallery, so let me find something in my own photos and tap on it. And here in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So after positioning, just tap on choose, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. Now we can tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. This is how our contact will look like with the photo. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.